Hey friends, thanks for joining in. Today I'm going to be showing you some simple florals using my Karen Brush Marker Pro, a little bit of gold paint, and a water brush. I've chosen some markers that are similar that will look good together to make the petals of my flowers. I'll start the first petal by doing this little crow's foot shape and using my water brush to draw it into an actual petal. It's taking off a little bit of the ink on the middle part to give it some dimension, and then just going all the way around, completing the flower, probably 4 or 5 petals, whatever you want, doesn't really matter. Today I'm working with Karen Brush Marker Pro, which are water-based markers, but any water-based marker will do this trick with the water brush. Also, I'm using watercolor paper. Now we're going to let this flower dry and we'll move on to the next flower. Doing the same steps with just a different color. To get the effect that we want with these flowers, to see the petals overlapping and to see like light shining through them, we have to let them dry completely. So now we'll go back to the first pink flower and we'll get its contrasting color, and we will just start drawing a petal on there using the water brush to complete the petal, just as we did before, but this time overlapping and in another color. As you can see, I'm filling in the blank spots of my flowers with this second layer of petals, which really gives it that layered look and kind of makes it look like light is shining through from the bottom up. So for this purple flower, I chose a blue to do the alternating petals. It just really gives it a completely different look when you do different colors as opposed to very similar colors. Also very pretty though. Once you've completed all the petals to your flowers, you want to wait till it's completely dry because you don't really want the colors to mix on this next step. I'll use a green marker to do a leaf. Again, using the water brush to mix the color around and then remove just a little bit to give it a little dimension. Of course, you can add as many as you want, wherever you want, whatever suits your purpose and makes you happy. Now we'll mix up our gold paint and we will give the middle of the flower just a little dot for the middle. It'll be really pretty when it catches the light. And a little vein on the leaf. And that's it, you're done. Aren't they pretty? Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'd love to see any projects you make in whatever color combinations you use. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And for more fun projects, see me over on Instagram at handwritteneverything.